Hello everyone, welcome back to Anthony's Universe. If you are new here, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss an episode. In our previous episode, we discussed how to search for jobs in Germany through various platforms like LinkedIn, Zinc, and top job search websites. Thank you all for your amazing response to that video. I am thrilled to know that so many of you found it helpful. Today we are diving into a very practical and beneficial topic: tax returns in Germany. Yes, you heard that right. Filing your tax return can often mean getting some of your hard earned money back. For many students, experts, and even professionals, this process can seem overwhelming, but don't worry. I'm here to guide you through it step by step. Understanding the tax system in Germany. First, let's start with why you should care about filing your tax return. In Germany, taxes are automatically deducted from your monthly salary, and for many of us, this amount is often higher than what we actually owe the government. By filing a tax return, you can claim back the excess amount, which could be a significant financial relief. Germany operates on a progressive tax system, meaning the more you earn, the higher your tax rate. Taxes are used to fund various public services like healthcare, education, and infrastructure. While paying taxes is mandatory, filing a tax return is optional for many people, especially students or part-time workers. However, it's highly recommended because on average, people get back around 1000 euros after filing their tax return. Isn't that amazing? Who can file a tax return? Almost anyone can file a tax return in Germany, but it's particularly beneficial for certain groups of people. If you are a student working part-time, a professional who has work-related expenses, or even someone who is on a spouse visa, you are likely to benefit from filing. Some of the most common reasons to file a tax return include: if you have worked multiple jobs during the year, if you have incurred work-related expenses like travel costs, office supplies, or even further education. If you are a student, you can claim deductions for tuition fees, language courses, and exam preparation. If you have been paying for health insurance, childcare, or have dependents, these can also be claimed. How to file a tax return? Now, let's get into the practical part: how to file your tax return. In Germany, this process is known as Steuererklärung. There are a few different ways you can file. First, using online tools. There are several online platforms like Elster, Steuergo, and Wundertax that simplify the process. While Elster is free, it can be a bit complicated for first-time users since it's designed for professionals. Steuergo and Wundertax are more user-friendly but may charge a small fee. Second, hiring a tax consultant. If you are not comfortable filing on your own, hiring a tax consultant is a great option. Although it's more expensive, the chances of maximizing your refund are higher because these experts know all the ins and outs of the German tax system. Third, tax return apps. Apps like TaxFix or SmartSteuer are becoming increasingly popular among students and expats. They guide you through the process in English and often only charge a fee if you get a refund. Documents you will need. Before you start, you will need to gather some essential documents: your Lohnsteuerbescheinigung, annual income statement from your employer, receipts for any work-related expenses, your rent agreement if you are claiming housing expenses, proof of health insurance payments, your previous tax return if applicable. Make sure to keep all your receipts and documents well organized throughout the year to make filing easier. When to file your tax return? The deadline to file your tax return in Germany is usually July 31st for the previous year. If you miss the deadline, you might face penalties, so mark your calendars. However, if you work with a tax consultant, you may get an extension until December 31. Tips to maximize your refund. Here are some tips to ensure you get the most out of your tax return. Claim your travel expenses if you commute to work or university. You can claim these costs. Deduct home office expenses if you have been working remotely. Include any expenses related to further education or skill development. Keep track of all receipts for charitable donations, as these can also be claimed. So that's it for today's episode on tax returns in Germany. I hope this video has given you some clarity and confidence to file your own tax return and get some of that money back. Trust me, it's worth the effort. And in the 9th episode, we will explore an equally important topic: the pros and cons of the medical facilities in Germany. Whether you are an international student, a working professional, or planning to settle here, understanding the healthcare system is vital, and I will guide you through it. If you have any questions or need more guidance, feel free to drop them in the comments below. And as always, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Anthony's Universe. See you in the next episode.